Hello students, welcome to online classes of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Department of Mathematics, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to solve a unique example of finding angle of intersection between two curves. Both the curves are polar curve. Okay. So very first, let us consider the given curve. R is equal to A into theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus theta, and other one is R is equal to A divided by 1 plus theta square. Fine. So since these are polar curves, so apply log on both sides. Then what happens when we apply logarithm? Then it becomes log R is equal to log A plus log theta minus logarithm of this denominator. So that is log A plus log theta minus logarithm of 1 plus theta. Okay. So differentiating it with respect to theta provides 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to differentiation of log A with respect to theta will be 0 plus differentiation of log theta will be 1 by theta minus differentiation of this will be 1 divided by 1 plus theta, and differentiation of this bracket provides 1. Therefore, this can be taken as cot pi 1 is equal to 1 by theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus theta. How do you write this? This can be written as 1 divided by theta into 1 plus theta. If you take the LCM and if you calculate, it will be something like this only. Fine. If you want, we can check it out. Let us see it's we'll check it out this result. Then it is 1 minus theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus theta. If we take the LCM, that is theta into 1 plus theta, that will be equal to, this is 1 plus theta minus theta, it get cancelled, so 1 divided by theta into 1 plus theta. Fine. Therefore, this is the value of cot pi. But we want pi 1. Pi 1 is not possible because this term cannot be converted into cot of something. Then when it is not possible, straight away take it to tangent, reciprocal of this. When you take reciprocal of this, it becomes tan pi 1 is equal to, reciprocal of this will be what? Theta into 1 plus theta. Fine. Which is nothing but theta, I'll take it here. So tan pi 1 is nothing but 1 into theta plus theta into theta square. So we got tan pi 1. This is not a clear angle between radius vector and tangent, but it is just a tangent, slope of the tangent, first tangent. Similarly, apply log on both sides, then it becomes log r is equal to logarithm of A plus logarithm of 1 plus theta square. Fine. Again, differentiating it with respect to theta provides 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to 0 plus 1 divided by 1 plus theta square into differentiation of this is minus divided by, so it is minus differentiation of 1 plus theta square with respect to theta is 2 theta. Therefore, this can be taken as cot pi 2 is equal to minus 2 theta divided by 1 plus theta square. Similarly, take a reciprocal of it. Then it becomes tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1 plus theta square divided by 2 theta. This is the second slope of the tangent. Okay. Second slope of the tangent. But with this, we need to calculate angle of intersection between two curves, which must be pi 1 minus pi 2. But since we can see in both the cases there are theta. So to find the value of theta, what to do? Consider the given curve. What is that? R is equal to A theta divided by 1 plus theta, which is A, and R is equal to A divided by 1 plus theta square, which is B. solving these two, equating RHS, because R is equal to, so equating RHS provides A theta divided by 1 plus theta is equal to A divided by 1 plus theta square. Therefore, A get cancelled. Then what it is now? This is nothing but, okay, it will be 1 plus theta square is equal to, 1 plus theta square into theta is equal to 1 plus theta. Fine. So 1 into theta will be theta, and theta square into theta will be theta cube. Theta plus theta cube is equal to 1 plus theta. So on both sides there is a theta, so this theta get cancelled. Therefore, theta cube is equal to 1. When theta cube is equal to 1, then what is theta? Theta is equal to 1 again. Therefore, the value of theta is 1. The value of theta is 1. Therefore, what to do? Substituting this value in tangent. Clear? Substituting this value in tangent. Therefore, tan pi 1 at the rate of theta is equal to 1. Tan pi 1 will be equal to theta plus theta square, means theta is 1 plus 1 square, which is nothing but 2. Therefore, tan pi 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 square divided by 2 into 1. So 1 plus 1 square is 2, divided by 2 is cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to minus 1. Therefore, tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1 at the rate of theta is equal to 1. Okay. We know one formula that says, let us consider tan of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to tan pi 1 minus tan pi 2 divided by 1 plus tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. Fine. So substitute the values in this formula. When we put it under this formula, then what will be the result? Let us see. This is equal to tan pi 1 is 2 minus pi 2 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 into minus 1. Therefore, tan pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to 2 minus of minus is 3. Fine. 3 divided by, this is 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. Therefore, it is minus 3. Therefore, pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to tan inverse of minus